Hello and welcome to the channel Neville Goddard. What I'm going to show you today is a quote from Neville Goddard that is for imagination as thinking. Keep listening. This is one of the best Neville Goddard quotes. Neville on imagination as thinking. A thought acted upon is an imaginal act. Think or imagine a horrible earthquake, and God will give it to you. Imagine or think of a war, and God will provide that too. Imagine peace, and you will have it. God will give you health if you will, but imagine being healthy. Imagine success, and you will have it. The moment you think, you are feeding your imagination, which is a person. I use the word person deliberately, for you are a person. You are the mask God is now wearing. For God become you, that you might become God. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments for this new section to post a quote. And let me know if you like it, so every day I'm gonna post a new quote for you. Thanks.